I heard there was an old Mercedes sleeping in here, and I came ready to bring it back.
$80, a tow truck, and by tonight, this forgotten Mercedes starts a new life.
Hidden beneath the dust of 70 years rests one of the most elegant cars ever built, the Mercedes-Benz 500K.
A lost masterpiece emerging from the shadows, the 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster. This 500K Special Roadster sat untouched for decades. The patina tells a story of its own.
The 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster, a masterpiece of German engineering, waiting patiently for its second life.
Look at the contrast there. It's hard to believe the paint underneath all that dust is still so vibrant after all these years. All right, hold it right there. Get the straps on.
This old girl hasn't seen the open road in 50 years. She's finally heading home.
The undercoating is brittle, and we've got significant rust here on the fasteners. The suspension definitely needs a full rebuild.
Let's see what we've got.
The cool light reveals the extent of the degradation. We have significant tarnishing on the metal surfaces and, crucially,
And there it goes. And with the wheel finally off, we get our first look at the original brake assembly. Remarkably preserved despite the dust. The first step is always the hardest. You have to be incredibly careful with the original chrome, especially on a 500K. You have to be extremely careful with these old cloth wires. One slip and you're starting from scratch. Finding one in this condition, well, that's the dream for any collector. It truly tells a story.
The separation of the iconic Mercedes grille reveals the intricate engineering beneath, untouched for decades.
removing the side exhaust is a delicate process. You can see the extent of the corrosion and the soot buildup here.
You see the dust here. That's exactly how it left the factory back in '36. We try to preserve as much as we can. We're using a specialized tool here to gently loosen the frame. The rubber has hardened over the decades, so it tends to crack rather than flex. We had to be extremely careful removing the original hardware. These screw heads, they haven't been touched since 1936. Look at the detail on this gasket remnant. This reveals the original shadow line. We're looking at mud trapped since 1936, right where the chrome sat. Hold it there. Look at that rust right by the mounting point. We need to be careful with this debris. And here you can see the inner structure. We want to preserve as much of this dust as possible.
Careful extraction of the original interior reveals the elegance of the underlying seat frames and the dust of decades.
And as we peel back the carpet, you can see the extent of the corrosion. Decades of moisture trapped underneath.
When working on a car this rare, the disassembly is as critical as the rebuild. We meticulously document every connection before the gauges are pulled.
Removing the steering wheel on the 500K is always a careful process. Look at the wear on that Bakelite and the dust around the instrument cowl. And here we have it, the inner workings of the 500K door. Notice the intricate wooden supports. The first step is always getting everything out. You can see the years of grime trapped in these brackets. This varnish residue here is typical for the age. We need to be extremely careful with these original feed lines. All right, hold it right there. Let's check the balance. Holding steady. The transmission is the original 500K unit. Getting it separated from is the easy part.
The 500K was a masterpiece of its time. To restore it properly, you have to tear it down.
Restoration at this level demands absolute precision. We can't afford to miss a single bolt on a car this rare.
Disassembly is meticulous. Every bolt, every wire must be accounted for before we even think about putting her back together.
The 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K requires meticulous care.
We use a dense degreaser on the 500K chassis to lift decades of hardened oil and grease, revealing the original metal underneath. This old girl had decades of buildup. We start with the firewall, carefully stripping away the grime to find the original paint underneath. This 1936 Mercedes required a meticulous approach. The wheel arches held decades of grime, demanding careful.
The high-pressure water helps us identify any hidden corrosion spots before we move on to the next stage.
This is where the real work happens, getting into every one of these vertical slats, making sure the residue is completely gone before the final polish. The ultrasonic bath really helps lift the decades of grime from these delicate chrome rings.
This 1936 Mercedes-Benz wheel demands nothing less than perfection in the cleaning process. This 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K is a masterpiece. Even the bare frame speaks volumes about its heritage.
You have to be extremely careful flushing out these old door shells. Decades of grit build up in here.
As you can see, the blasting exposes the original pre-war stampings beneath the surface corrosion.
Look at that finish. Polished to perfection. We're tackling the running boards now. This is where 70 years of road dust really settles in. It takes patience to get it right.
This 1936 Mercedes is a masterpiece. Cleaning the louvers requires patience and precision, ensuring the black finish is flawless.
See that? That's the original heat stain coming through. Takes a careful hand to reveal it.
The degreasing agent helps reveal the intricate casting textures and the original bolt heads beneath the deep black oil trails.
These are the original control arms from the 36 500K. As you can see, removing this baked-on grease is the first critical step. We start with a stiff brush to remove the thick grease, then move to finer tools before the compressed air. As you can see, the grease has hardened over the decades. We use high pressure to reveal the original metal underneath.
Every contour and bracket must be scrubbed by hand to expose the factory finish of this magnificent machine.
This is the differential housing from the 1936 Mercedes-Benz. We're using foam and a brush to reveal the original casting lines. This is the only way to get 70 years of grime out. You have to be thorough. The secret is patience. Taking the time to get into every crevice, that's how you bring a classic like this back to life. Scars. We use a specialized solvent bath for the delicate components. Watch as the oily residue slowly releases from the bezels and clips.
The exterior of the fuel tank from the 1936 Mercedes-Benz required careful pressure washing and degreasing to reveal the original finish beneath the grime.
As you can see, the varnish buildup is significant. We'll keep flushing until the liquid runs completely clear. The key is the delicate balance. Too much pressure and you warp the fins, not enough and the old coolant stays trapped inside.
Years of neglect left this hinge completely seized. We use precision tools and compressed water to reveal the original metal underneath.
After the wash, we dry them by hand with a chamois. Can't let any water sit on this pre-war chrome.
This straight-eight engine is complex. Every piston and valve must be meticulously inspected before reassembly.
On a standard engine, this valve wear would be concerning. But on a 500K Special Roadster, it's forensic evidence of its history. We start by scrubbing the grooves to remove the heavy carbon deposits. Once clean, we use the micrometer to check the diameter. After polishing the journals, we move on to the oil channels. They have to be absolutely spotless for proper lubrication. The valve train renewal is critical. We meticulously rebuild these springs and rockers, ensuring we use the assembly lube to protect the surfaces during the initial startup. Now, we torque it down to the factory specification. With the new internals in place, we emphasize the torque sequence, ensuring everything is within factory specifications. The cylinder head refit is the most critical stage of the engine rebuild. Precision is everything here. The supercharger pipes are delicate, so we polish them by hand. Once aligned, we use the torque wrench to the exact factory specifications. The 500K carburetor is a marvel of engineering. Precision is everything when dealing with these original parts. The ignition system renewal requires meticulous attention. We're installing new leads and ensuring the distributor parts are... The secret to these old Mercedes transmissions is patience, making sure every component, right down to the bearings, is seated perfectly. We're applying the sealant now, making sure everything is perfectly aligned before we torque the final bolts. The 500K suspension components are meticulously blasted and renewed. Here we use the hydraulic press. We start by meticulously cleaning the grease channels. Then, aligning these gears demands absolute precision. Restoring these old Mercedes brakes requires patience. We clean the backing plate, lubricate the pins, and then carefully install the new hardware. We use the TIG welder here to minimize distortion. It's slow, but it's the only way to get the panel perfectly straight before we even think about primer.
The 500K Roadster is famous for its flowing lines, so the panel alignment must be flawless.
We're looking for absolute perfection here. The long strokes ensure the contour is flawless before the next stage.
The epoxy primer mists onto the body, coating these sculpted fenders evenly. It creates that perfect glossy wet surface we need.
The secret to a flawless paint job lies in the preparation. Wet sanding the 500K's body until the reflections are perfectly straight.
Mixing the Schwarzlack for the 1936 Mercedes requires patience and precision to achieve that mirror finish.
First coat of deep black paint is laid onto the 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster body shell.
A second wet coat deepens the mirror black finish of the 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster.
Absolutely flawless. The clear coat really brings out the depth.
Bringing a 36 back to life, it takes patience. But look at that finish. Worth every hour. You have to be patient with the 500K parts. It takes time to get this mirror finish just right. Another piece of history brought back to life, absolutely flawless. We start with a fine compound on the buffer, then switch to a microfiber cloth for the final haze. The goal is absolute clarity. Restoring a 500K wheel takes patience. Polishing the chrome and then ensuring perfect balance, it's all part of the craft.
The key to the 500K is patience. You can't rush this finish.
It's every contour, every bracket protected. This is how you achieve true factory-grade restoration.
With the components back on the chassis, the bolts are torqued, ensuring the geometry of this magnificent 1936 Mercedes is fully restored.
You want to make sure these bolts are torqued exactly to spec, otherwise you risk failure at speed. This 36 Mercedes requires precision. Easy now, just a little lower. Perfect. Go ahead and set her down.
We completely disassembled the chassis, restoring every single component to Concours standards. The engine alone took nearly 1,000 hours.
This is the critical moment. Millimeter precision is everything on a car like the 500K. Lower it just a fraction more. Rehanging the door on a car this rare requires patience. You want the gaps to settle beautifully, just like the factory intended. Restoring a car like this 1936 Mercedes requires patience and precision. You have to feel that chrome edge snap perfectly into the flowing line.
With the fenders now mounted, the stance is perfect. It's a sculpture in black, ready for the road.
Getting this curve just right is the critical part. You can't rush a fit like this.
Aligning the star perfectly, then we can tighten the mounts. It's a heavy piece, but it defines the car. Bringing these old girls back to life, one piece at a time. The headlights make all the difference.
Reinstalling the auxiliary horns. It takes a delicate touch to get the alignment spot on. This 500K Roadster demands absolute precision. The windshield mounting is the most delicate part of the restoration.
There we are. That polished side exhaust really completes the look, doesn't it? A beautiful machine.
Fitting these original gauges back in, you really appreciate the craftsmanship of the period. It's all about precision.
Perfect, right where it belongs.
The sound deadening material is crucial for refining the cockpit. We want to ensure a perfect fit before the new carpet goes in. We carefully smooth the wool into the contours. It's crucial work, as the seams must align neatly along the restored floor pans.
Getting the leather just right on a 500K takes patience. But as you can see, the contrast with the deep black exterior is worth the effort.
The craftsmanship has to be flawless. We match the exact specifications from 1936, right down to the grain of the wood and the tension on the leather.
The key is getting the alignment just right before you apply pressure. You only get one shot with these original clips.
They called it the Road King. 88 years later, it still commands the room like nothing else.
There's nothing quite like the pre-war Mercedes. The engineering was simply decades ahead of its time.
The 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K. A masterpiece of engineering, designed for the open road.
For Hans, every imperfection tells a story, but the restoration must be flawless. The
1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster, a masterpiece of German engineering, finally seeing the light of day.
For a car built in 1936, the ride is remarkably smooth, a testament to its enduring quality.
Cruising through the Forest Lane Pass in a machine like the 500K, you understand what classic truly means.
You know, back then, the journey was just as important as the destination.
Along the coast, the legendary 500K continues its straight run, a testament to pre-war German craftsmanship.
We spent years bringing this old girl back to life. She's a masterpiece, truly one of a kind.
If you want to see more lost legends brought back, like this Mercedes, stay with me for the next restoration. subscribe and follow, because the next forgotten machine might be even rarer than this 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster.